Hi, welcome to Excel in Life. This is the 7th episode of VBA tutorial, and we are developing TextTools software. This is the final episode of this series. Today we will see how to use this TextTools software on your computer for the daily use. If you want to become a VBA software developer and excel in your career, then this video is for you. Please watch the video till the end to understand how to develop software in Excel VBA. Topics covered in this episode: how to write VBA event code, how to assign keyboard shortcut to a macro, how to make add-in from Excel macro file, how to activate add-in on computer, how to customize ribbon to start add-in. Excel VBA event. In our TextTools software, whenever you start typing text in the text box, option add to left is getting selected. When you click the option add at, then adjacent text box shows 0 to indicate user should enter numeric value. When you enter a number in add a text, the option related to add at is automatically gets selected. Also, you cannot enter any text here, only a number is allowed. Same thing applicable for our delete character section also. When you start typing number to delete, then delete from left option automatically gets selected. If you enter any number in delete a text box, then option delete add is gets selected. Here also, you cannot enter any text by mistake. Today we will see how to do that in VBA. This is done with event in Excel VBA. Event is an action that triggers the execution of a specific macro in Excel. There are a lot of events associated with the text box, which can be seen in this list. For our purpose, we will use change event. Means it will trigger whenever there will be any change in the text box, like adding or deleting text. If option don't add is true, then option add to left will become true. Now run this code. You can see, initially don't add option is selected. And when we start typing text, selection changed to option add to left. If we select the option at right, and then start typing text, then there will not be any changes in the option. Now we will see how to display 0 in add a text box when you select this option. Double-click the option add in VB Editor. Here we will right-click event. Means whenever user will click on this option, following code will execute. Next write the change event for the add a text box. Here we are writing two codes. First one. If option added not selected, then the same will be selected. Next one to work. If the text box is not empty and user entered a non-numeric entry. If any text is entered, then that letter will be deleted. By using left formula, we are reducing one character, which is just entered. In number of character text, we have used similar code, as explained. Option deleted click event will be same as option added event we have seen earlier. So, finally our TextTools software is completed. Now, how to use it in Excel. We will make add-in with this file. Before making add-in, let us save this Excel file as TextTools. Now let us delete our unwanted code modules, which we prepared in our previous episodes. For training purpose, let us assign a shortcut key Ctrl-Shift-T to this macro. Click Macro in Developer tab. Click to Option in the dialog box. You will get Macro option. Press Shift+T. You can write description. Then click OK. Now run the macro. Let us save this file as Excel add-in. Our add-in has been saved in default location. To activate this add-in, open Excel and open any blank workbook. Go to File, Option, and then Add-in. Click Go. You will see the list of add-in already installed in the computer. Now tick the checkbox on our add-in. Our add-in is activated. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to start TextTools. Dialog box is open. You can do all tax manipulation as explained earlier. We can run this TextTools by customizing ribbon. Right-click on the ribbon. Then select the Customize the ribbon. Now we want a new tab after View. Select View and click New tab. Right-click and rename the tab as TextTools. Select New Group. Right-click and rename as TextTools. Select Macros from drop-down list. Our Open TextTools macro is visible. Select that and click Add. We have now a new tab called TextTools. And by clicking you will get the Open TextTools button. Click that to run the TextTools software. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any query, you can write to me in the comments section. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notifications of future videos. This will motivate me to bring such wonderful videos in the future. Request you to browse Excel in Life. Here you will get videos related to Excel function, Excel chart, Excel VBA, healthy lifestyle, meditation and sound therapy. Please support my channel by joining membership program. You will get various perks, which consist members only video, personal guidance etc. Till then, goodbye.